How was your exam, previous exam? So let's proceed with Phantom. Hi, sir. How was your Amina Begum? Previous exam. So let's proceed with Phantom. So here Manoj Reddy, good morning. Ashok, good morning. Jai Mata Di. Good morning. Prince Prashu, he రోజు నా birthday, sir, wish me. So please everyone wish Prince Prashu a happy birthday. Happy birthday to Prince Prashu. Right? So next, Manoj Reddy, 4th, 5th unit theory చెప్పండి sir. Good morning sir, Max Sachin. Manoj Reddy, super. एग्जाम वॉज सुपर. यस्टरडेज एग्जाम कैसा लिखे पहले वो बोलो, क्योंकि लाइव कैसा गया, इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस कैसे गए वो मालूम होना ना. वरा मोगली, गुड मॉर्निंग सर. फिर लेट है सर, आप टाइम के पक्के नहीं कर रहे. आप क्या करेंगे अश्विनी? देयर इज अ समवॉट नेटवर्क इश्यूज गोइंग ऑन हियर. वनक्कम सर, वनक्कम. विश माय सिस्टर नेहा. ओके, What to wish? Birthday. Wishing Neha happy birthday. अब मैं ये चैनल लगा के बैठा सबको विशेष करने के लिए. Thank you so much sir. Sir, income tax 4th semester paper is easy, but I not write exam well, but I'll get A plus or. Very good. Super sir. Zabardast, खतरनाक. Sir, please explain 4th and 5th unit compulsory వచ్చే theory questions చెప్పండి sir. एग्जाम इज इजी. अच्छा, ओके ओके, माफ कर. अच्छा, पायल विश्वाल, अच्छा गया सर एग्जाम. कशिश कुमारी, गुड मॉर्निंग सर. सर, in 11th A I wrote the process to calculate GV, but they asked let out how many marks they allowed. हाँ. No, nothing happens here, right? If you have written the GAV performa total correctly, you will be getting full marks only. Nothing to worry about it. अभी अच्छा गया सर. गया या अच्छा गया? दो रकम कह रहे थे, गया या अच्छा गया. Sir, in the salary question it was given physically handicapped, how much marks can we score for solving normal problem? There is nothing. physically handicapped है तो एक ही चीज के उसमें एडवांटेज मिलेगा उसको. ट्रांसपोर्ट अलाउंस में 3200 का, नॉर्मल का उसमें से लिस्ट का देख लेना पड़ता अलाउंस के लिए, और कुछ ज्यादा नहीं है. कंग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर 1K सब्सक्राइबर्स. थैंक यू माही. योर सपोर्ट, आई नीड योर सपोर्ट टू कंटिन्यू फर्दर. सर, पार्टी तो दो मेरे को आप, ठीक है. कंग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर 1K सब्सक्राइबर्स. पायल विश्वल, थैंक यू, थैंक यू. आप जैसे स्टूडेंट्स के वजह से इट्स हैपनिंग, एंड 1000 नहीं और ज़्यादा भी होना है अपने को. सर, रिग्रेशन में इनडायरेक्ट मेथड करना ज़रूरी है क्या, या डायरेक्ट मेथड बसे सर? सो डायरेक्ट मेथड इज एनफ. इफ इज आस्किंग इनडायरेक्ट मेथड यानी assumed mean method, if is asking you, then you have to do it, but probably there are no less chances of asking that. Only go with direct method, right? Harshini Kadiraman, congratulations. Good morning sir. Sarita Das, sir, party, congratulations for 1000 subscribers sir. Vara Mogili and Manoj Reddy, actual method enough. Chalo, let's start with the video. What I'm going to explain in this video, that's very important. Why? Because this video will be of 2 divisions. Now the video will end by 1 o'clock. 2 घंटे का लाइव होगा. उसके बाद आफ्टर लंच प्रोग्राम 3:30 4 o'clock we'll be having another set where I will explain you short answer questions etc. So beta, we'll start with unit number 1 से शुरू करते हैं. Unit number 1 is regression. Unit number 2 is index numbers. Unit number 3 is time series. Unit number 4 is probability, and unit number 5 is theoretical distribution, Poisson distribution का. So these अपन order way में जाएंगे पूरा. Some people are asking, tell me about the theory of 4th and 5th unit. Definitely I'll tell you, and I'll also give a guest paper in the last में गेस्ट पेपर दूंगा आपको. शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चंस में कौन से आने वाले हैं पक्का, Yesterday I told you for income tax, first priority will be theory. So this time also I'm going to give you priorities. సార్ ఏంది సార్ హాఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ వచ్చాయి నిన్న పేపర్లో ఒక యూనిట్ నుంచే అయితే అసలు రాలా. సో మిస్టర్ సింబా క్యాన్ యూ ప్లీజ్ show your new what you call question paper, please. You type your question paper. I don't have the question paper right now, right? Question paper right now I don't have. You type and show the question paper in the comment box. I'll tell you with proof what has appeared and what has not appeared. Question ni tippi adigina gaani adi vera question anukune mahan bhavulu kontamandi untaru chaala mandi, right? kontamandi tippi question ki zara palta ke पूछा समझो वो क्या है कि समझते. जैसे कि प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ मैनेजमेंट है, उन्हें पूछा ఫైల్స్ 14 ప్రిన్సిపల్స్ అయ్యే ఇదేదో అనుకుంటారు. అట్లుంటది అన్నమాట కొంతమందికి, రైట్? Sir, what you tell important questions and problem that will come in examination. Thank you. Sir, statistics చెప్పండి జల్దీ. కార్తిక్ యాదవ్ కి చాలా జల్దీ ఉంటది ఎప్పుడు. జల్దీ 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 కా కామ్ शैतान का होता है सब, right? Right. So here I do request everyone, please stay tuned for the entire video. अब सब लोग अपना बुक, एक पेन, कैलकुलेटर साथ में कैरी करो. अपन सम्स करेंगे. इट्स एनफ. डायरेक्टली कल जाके एग्जाम एक बार रेफर कर लेके डायरेक्ट एग्जाम लिख सकते. ऐसा प्रिपरेशन कराऊंगा बिजनेस स्टैटिस्टिक्स के लिए. प्लीज स्टे ट्यून्ड. ऐसा नहीं, जल्दबाजी नहीं, ठीक है? सो प्लीज डू वॉच द वीडियो. सो फ्रॉम यूनिट नंबर 1 आई एम गोइंग. शॉर्ट आंसर का सेपरेट लाइव होगा इवनिंग में, एंड यूनिट नंबर 4 and 5 विल बी कवर्ड इन द इवनिंग सेशन. That is from 3:30 or 4 o'clock. I'll declare the time. Now we are going to start with what? Unit number 1, regression. Any more doubt? Sir, tell me your address. Literally, I want to thank you. Uday Kiran Dubey. My address दिल में बसते भाई बच्चे हमारे, right? So next, start fast. नगमा सानिया, हाँ भाई अभी उठे. अब बोलना ना, आप सबके कमेंट आप पढ़ना. స్టార్ట్ ఫాస్ట్ బోల్ట్. తెలుగు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయండి సార్, హిందీ రాదు. డెఫినెట్లీ మనోజ్ రెడ్డి తెలుగులో కూడా చెప్తా బెటా, టెన్షన్ పడకు. సార్ ఐ రోట్ ఓన్లీ 1.5 పేజ్ ఫర్ జిఏవి లాంగ్ ఆన్సర్. హౌ మచ్ యూ విల్ గెట్ ఇఫ్ యూ రోట్ ద ఎంటైర్ ప్రఫార్మా? దెన్ 100% you will get 9 to 10 marks, right? No sir, Varamogli. Okay, fitness, right? इस बार टाइम पे आओ सर. Question paper pattern, yes, I'll tell you everything. So let's proceed with unit number 1. Question paper pattern and short answer type questions जो आने वाले हैं मैं आफ्टरनून लाइव में बोलूंगा. अब जो भी है बच्चे मेरे साथ पढ़ेंगे. यूनिट नंबर 1 रिग्रेशन से स्टार्ट करेंगे अपन. रिग्रेशन, he will be asking you 2 questions. One is normal regression sum and another one is mean देता, स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन देता, उसके हिसाब से रिग्रेशन फाइंड आउट करना रहता अपने को, राइट? You did salary wrong, nothing to worry, nothing to worry. You will be getting good marks only. आधे मार्क्स तो मिल जाते अटेम्प्ट करे तो, अगर परफेक्ट करे तो. करेक्ट रास्ते 50 మార్క్స్ అని వచ్చేస్తాయి, అంటే సగం మార్క్స్ అని వచ్చేస్తాయి. చలో లెట్స్ ప్రొసీడ్ విత్ రిగ్రెషన్. ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్ ఆల్ ద స్టూడెంట్స్, ప్లీజ్ డూ క్యారీ ఎ పెన్ అండ్ బుక్ and also calculator. Now you have to tell me the calculations fast. So give important questions, sir. Mohammad Uddin, yes, definitely important questions will be revealed later, right? So telugu use cheyandi sir. Yamjal Akhil Kumar, telugu use chesta beta, telugu vaadine nenu, రైట్? కొద్దిగా ఏంటి హైదరాబాద్ కాబట్టి కొద్దిగా మిక్స్ అయిపోయింది మనకి. హిందీ కూడా వచ్చేసింది, తెలుగు కూడా వచ్చేసింది. అట్లేం లేదు, తెలుగులో కూడా చెప్తా, టెన్షన్ లేదు. హిందీలో ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఇస్తాను, ఇంగ్లీష్లో ఇస్తాను, తెలుగులో ఇస్తాను. కాకపోతే కొద్దిగా ఓపికగా ఉండండి, రైట్? రిగ్రెషన్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ విల్ స్టార్ట్ విత్ ద సమ్స్. నెక్స్ట్ బుక్. So how many are following Pankaj publications? There is another textbook. సో రిగ్రెషన్ కా మతలబ్ హోతా హై, రిగ్రెషన్ మీనింగ్ ఏంటంటే ఒక వాల్యూని ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయడం, ప్రిడిక్ట్ చేయని రిగ్రెషన్ అంటారు. అంటే ఒక వేరియబుల్ ఇస్తాడు, ఆ వేరియబుల్ తోటి ఏదో అని ప్రిడిక్ట్ చేసేదాన్ని రిగ్రెషన్ అంటారు అనమాట. రిగ్రెషన్ కా మతలబ్ క్యా హోతా హై సార్? ప్రిడిక్షన్. रिग्रेशन इज व्हाट? प्रेडिक्शन. प्रिडिक्टिंग ए वैल्यू फ्रॉम द नोन वैल्यूज, जो ऑलरेडी दिया रहता है वैल्यू वेरिएबल्स, दानी उसको लेके एक वैल्यू को प्रिडिक्ट करने को प्रोसीजर को अपन रिग्रेशन मानते. సో ఏదైనా ఏదో ఒక చిన్న వాల్యూ ఇస్తాడు, దానితోటి మనం ఫ్యూచర్ ని ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయొచ్చు అనమాట, ప్రిడిక్ట్ చేయొచ్చు, దాన్ని రిగ్రెషన్ అంటారు. చలో ఇప్పుడు రిగ్రెషన్ మనము ఇందులో one thing is that short answer I will tell you later అని చెప్పినా కదా. చలో we'll cover it the later position. Now regression equation coefficient. चलो regression equation x on y एक रहता, regression equation y on x रहता, regression x on y. ठीक है. So x on y है तो क्या करना है? x on y అంటే ఏం చేయాలా? x minus x mean is equal to regression standard deviation of x by standard deviation of y, y minus y mean. This is the formula for regression x on y, right? So this is denoted as regression and a standard deviation x by standard deviation of y bolte. So it can be written దీన్ని ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు? bxy. It is called as bxy. And how to find out this? To find out this, the formula is sigma xy by sigma x square. This is a formula, right? So this value, ये जो वैल्यू है, ये वैल्यू ఏదైతే ఉందో దీన్ని కనుక్కోవడానికి ఫార్ములా, इसको पता करने का फॉर्मूला है सिग्मा एक्स वाई बाय सिग्मा एक्स स्क्वायर. ठीक है, ये है एक्चुअल मेथड में. अगर अपन मीन मेथड में क्या बोलते हैं, एक्चुअल मीन मेथड में भी करे तो, अज्यूम्ड मीन मेथड में करे तो भी वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट, यूज द सेम फॉर्मूला हियर, राइट? सो नथिंग टू वरी अबाउट इट. लेट्स प्रोसीड विथ रिग्रेशन इक्वेशन y on x. y on x का मतलब y से स्टार्ट करना, y तो स्टार्ट किया, y minus y mean is equal to regression equation of standard deviation of y by standard deviation of x, x minus x mean. So this can be denoted as byx. regression x on y बोले तो उसको bxy बोलते, అంటే x on y అంటే ఏమంటారు? bxy అంటారు. y on x అంటే ఏమంటారు? byx అంటారు అన్నమాట. byx is equal to sigma xy by sigma y square. Chalo, this formula you have to remember. And another thing is that coefficient of correlation of regression का, इसका कैसा मालूम करते हैं? r is equal to root of bxy into bxy into byx. So this is a formula for calculating the coefficient of correlation का regression analysis में अंदर. चलो, now let's proceed with the sum. I am explaining in all languages, sir. Distinction between voidable and illegal contract. What is the performance contract? Types of performance contract. Unit 1. Right. Next. Continue with all other units. So let's proceed with a sum. Let's start with a simple problem. Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, so in the given question, the economic subject marks is given and account subject marks are given. दो सब्जेक्ट्स के मार्क्स दिया, economics and accounts, right? So economics, the value
25,
25,
28,
28,
35,
35,
32,
32,
31,
31,
36,
36,
39,
39,
38,
38,
34,
34,
32,
32. These are the values. And for accounts, the values are
43,
43,
46,
46,
49,
49,
41,
41,
36,
36,
32,
32,
31,
31,
30,
30,
33,
33,
39.
39. Right. So now these are the marks for economics and accounts, beta. So अब ये लेके अपन सम करना है. We have to do the problem. Regression equation x on y and also y on x, and also we'll find out coefficient of correlation, right? So now let's assume economics as x. I am assuming economic subject as x value, right? And what about economics values? बोल दो 25, 28, 35, 32, 31, 36, 39, 38, 34, and 32. Okay, so now total this, you will get sigma x. Total of x values, you will get how much? 330. मेरे साथ कर रहे हैं आप लोग सम्स? Simba, who told you to learn only 3 units? I have given importance for 5 units, right? Thank you. So just because of I'm past subjects, right? Let's start with, चलो इसका मीन फाइंड आउट करेंगे. मीन ऑफ x is equal to standard deviation, sorry, mean total of x by n, sigma x by n. So sigma x is how much? 330 divided by n कितने हैं? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Counting is 10. So here mean is how much? 33. अब एक बच्चा पूछा था, सर अगर पॉइंट्स में है तो क्या करना? 33.3, 33.5 क्या करना है? ఏం చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది అని చెప్పి అడిగాడు. అట్లాంటప్పుడు పాయింట్ ఉన్నప్పుడు పాయింట్ పెట్టుకొని చేసుకోవాలి సార్, దాన్ని మనము ఏమంటారు రౌండ్ ఆఫ్ చేసుకోవాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. పాయింట్స్ ఎందుకంటే క్యాల్కులేటర్, వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ క్యాల్కులేటర్, వీ కెన్ సాల్వ్ ఇట్, నథింగ్ టు వరీ. సో నౌ నెక్స్ట్ ఈజ్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ x, स्मॉल x फाइंड आउट करना है तो क्या करना? x माइनस x मीन. స్మాల్ x ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలంటే ఈ x లోకి వెళ్ళి మీన్ వాల్యూను మైనస్ చేసుకోవాలి. మీన్ ఇస్ 33 హియర్, రైట్? సో 25 minus 33 minus 8. 28 minus 33 minus 5. 35 minus 33 2. 32 minus 33 minus 1. 31 minus 33 minus 2. 36 minus 33 3. 39 minus 33 6. 38 minus 33 5. 34 minus 33 1. 32 minus 33 minus 1. Now we have to do x square. So Sachin, what is the square values here? 8 8s 64. 5 5s 25. 2 2s 4. 1 1s 2 2s are, उसके बाद 3 3s are 6. हाँ हाँ, 3 3s 9. 6 6 36. 5 5s 25. 1 1s are 1 and 1 1s are 1. चलो x square हो गया. Next y value you have to take. So accounts is y here. 43, 46, 49, 41, 36, 32, 31, 30, 33, 39. Right? These are y values. Right. What is the total? Sigma y? 380. So we have to find out mean of y. Y का mean find out करेंगे. Y mean find out చేద్దాం. 380 అంటే ఫార్ములా ఏంటిది? సిగ్మా y by n, అంతేనా? సో టోటల్ సిగ్మా y ఎంత? 380. సిగ్మా y कितना है बेटा? 380 divided by the number n is how much? 10. You are getting mean here 38. So substitute here, find out small y. Small y is equal to x minus y mean. So this y में से क्या करना है? y का మీన్ మైనస్ करना है. y నుంచి y మీన్ మైనస్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు అంటే ఇక్కడ మీన్ ఎంత వచ్చింది? 38 వచ్చింది. 43 minus 38 5. 46 minus 38 8. 49 minus 38 11. 41 minus 38 3. 36 minus 38 minus 2. 32 minus 38 minus 6. 31 minus 38 minus 7. 30 minus 38 minus 8. 33 minus 38 minus 5. 39 minus 38 1. Chalo. Now next we have to square this y square. 5 5s 25. 8 8s 64. 11 11s are 121. 3 3s 2 2s 6 6 7 7s 8 8s 5 5s 1 1s Now total this, you will be getting y square. Total this, and also tell me the total of x square.
Square 170.
170.
Yes.
What about y square?
398.
398. Now let's proceed with x into y, small x into small y. Okay, so here x value is minus 8, here y value is 5. Minus 8 into 5, 8 5s are
40.
minus 40, right? 5 8s are
Minus 40.
minus 40. 2 into 11,
20.
22. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3. Minus 2 into minus 2,
4.
4. Plus 4. Minus minus plus. 3 into 6,
18.
minus 18. 6 into 7, minus 42. 5 into 8, minus 40. 1 into 5,
Minus 5.
minus 5. 1 into 1, minus 1. So now see the total of this sigma xy. So first add plus values, then go with minus values.
X value 320 आना होगा. X का total. 29 की जगह 29. इसलिए 320 आना. अच्छा, टेक्स्ट बुक की प्रॉब्लम नहीं है बोलते तो नंबर डिफरेंस.
So Amina Begum, this is not textbook problem. One number I have changed here. 39. Economics. In textbook it is 29. I have changed it to 39. That's the reason we are getting 330. Okay. Don't go with the same problem. I may change the numbers. मैं अपने खुद का numbers लगा के कर सकता हूँ मैं. वैसा टेंशन नहीं है. You should know the concept. That's it. So now x is there, x square, y, this everything is there, right? So now xy, total of xy is how much?
Minus 163.
Minus 163. This is the value, right? So now let's proceed with the problem. Let's proceed with the calculation. Are you sure about it is 163?
Minus 40 minus
80,
83.
80, 98, 98, 42.
98 plus 40. 140 plus 41 80 plus 5 plus 1 minus 22
Hmm.
minus 4.
It is actual, sir.
40 plus 2 plus 19 plus 40 plus 40 plus 6 minus 22 minus 4 163.
163, right? So here next we'll go with regression equation x on y. We are going with what? Regression equation of x on y. So x on y, x minus mean is equal to r sigma x y, standard deviation x by y, y minus, right? This is for regression equation x on y. So here what we have to do, x value we know that, अपने को पता है x value, it is not there, right? Right, x minus, this is what? Mean. X mean is how much here? 33. 33 is equal to r value. We know the r value here? No, we don't know. So this value can be calculated. This value can be calculated. The formula is what? Sigma xy by sigma x square. That formula we have to use to know this. So sigma xy is how much beta here?
minus 1.
Minus 163 divided by sigma x square. X square value is 170. मैं बता रहा हूँ నేను చూపిస్తున్న మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి ఇక్కడ చూడండి r regression standard deviation x by y ఇది క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలంటే ఫార్ములా sigma xy by sigma x square ఇందులో we have to substitute अनమాట to get this value. इसमें substitute करना पड़ेगा फॉर्मूला में तब ये वैल्यू आ जाएगा. So sigma xy is 163 divided by sigma x square is 170. So y value we don't know and y mean we know it. What is the value of y mean? 38. So now tell me, x minus 33 is equal to 163 divided by 170 is how much?
0.9.
minus 0.95. That's it. Into y minus 38. Next, what we have to do, x minus 33 is equal to multiply this value with y once and also with 38 once. Right? దీన్ని రెండిట్లో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. So minus 0.95y minus 0.95 into 38
36.1
plus, right?
plus 36.1
36.1.
36.1.
Right. Now what we have to do, carry this 33 to the right hand side. X is equal to, ये माइनस इधर गया तो क्या हो जाता, प्लस हो जाता. माइनस 0.95y प्लस 36.1 प्लस 33. So x is equal to minus 0.95y plus 69.1. समझ में आ गया यहाँ तक? So this is the value. I am going according to the order wise, chapter wise. बेटा please do focus. आप मेरे साथ कर लो, आपको रिवीजन भी कंप्लीट हो जाता यूनिट वाइज. So this is regression equation x on y. Now we'll do regression equation for y on x. Regression y on x. Y on x, y minus y mean is equal to regression equation of y by x, x minus mean, right? So we don't know the value of y here, right? So y ऐसे रहने दो, LI बटे से ఇప్పుడు mean y ఎంత 38, कितना है बेटा 38 है, is equal to r. So इसको find out कैसा करते हैं, దీన్ని ఎలా find out చేయొచ్చు, sigma xy by sigma y square. Okay, so sigma xy is how much, minus 163 divided by y square is how much, 398. Okay, so into x minus, we know the value of x?
Yes. Not.
We don't know. What?
We don't know the value of x.
X mean is how much here? 33. Right. Now, y minus 38 is equal to, divide this 163 by 398.
Minus 0.409.
Minus 0.409 into x minus 33. Now next step is y minus 38 is equal to multiply this with x. Minus 0.409x minus plus minus into minus plus, right? So 0.409 into 33, 1350. Y is equal to 38 को carry करो, 38 अगर తీసుకోండి minus ఉంది plus అయిపోతుంది. Minus 0.409x plus 13.50 plus 38. Y is equal to minus 0.409x plus how much? 51.50. Understood? So now quotient of ये हो गया y on x, right? If he asked in the question to find out the quotient of correlation, then r value is equal to root of bxy into byx, right? So here bxy, how much you got?
Minus 0.95.
bxy వచ్చింది మనకి 0.95, minus 0.95, right? And what about byx?
Minus 0.409.
Minus 0.409. Multiply that. Multiply
0.38855.
0.38855. रूट करो इसका 0.623. So this is the value. So here beta, stay tuned. Afternoon I am going to explain you all short answer questions. Theory में क्या आने वाला है and also practical. There will be some कितने sums practical में आने वाले हैं कल exam. I'll tell you, right? So next definitely Nandini live video will be uploaded. Regression easy है, दूसरे chapters बोलो sir. Right, byx bxy. What is the doubt, sir?
ले सकते क्या पूछना अब वहाँ लाइन का नाम सिग्मा एक्स वाई सिग्मा एक्स इक्वल्स टू बी एक्स वाई तो वो अलग है, अलग फॉर्मूला है सोच
No, you can take it, sir. So this you can take it as bxy also. Okay, nothing to worry. But I am telling you directly in the formula में जाके बताया मैं. Right, बेटा. चलो, let's start with any more doubts in this regression. If you have any more doubts, please let me know it. So next problem. Yes, you can write bxy. उदय किरण दुबे एक बार में समझ में आ गया. Very good. You want to take screenshot of this? नोट्स बना रहे सर. ओके. कुंजल वर्मा, रिग्रेशन y on x के नीचे वाला फिर से बोलो. y on x, this one you want to know and or this one you want to know. चलो फिर भी y on x, y minus y mean is equal to r regression of standard deviation of x, y by standard deviation of x, which can be written as byx. Okay, so it can be calculated with this formula sigma xy by sigma y square. Sigma xy here is 163 minus 163 divided by sigma y square here is how much? 398. We have divided this, we got minus 0.409 and x minus minus 33. So first you have to multiply this with x, again you have to multiply with 33. We have multiplied that. क्या करना है उसके बाद? This 38 will be taken to the next side. तो क्या हो जाता है अब? y is equal to 0.409, ये माइनस यहाँ पे प्लस हो गया. So we have added this. Okay. So next is r, coefficient of correlation. R is equal to root of bxy into byx. This question will be asked for, I'll tell you later, important questions, right? So r is equal to root of 0.95. This we have calculated by here, byx value, right? And this is bxy, this is byx. So we have multiplied this, we got this answer, minus into minus plus. So again, after multiplying, you have to take a root of it. Root लेने के बाद r is equal to 0.623 finally. The question is to find out regression equation. I do not have Pankaj textbook. This is the question. How we will be asking in the examination. Yes, it is regression, sir. Regression, actual mean method. Okay. Now, any doubt? Let's proceed with the next one. So one more problem we will do out. Shall we start?
Yes.
This sums you people have to do. ये another type of है. Right? Fourth unit बोलो सर इसके बाद. Fourth unit, fifth unit after lunch break. Now first, second, third units. Yeah, base theorem afternoon. Sir, like how will they ask find the regression from the following like that? Okay, Sai Vardhan. they will be asking you simple fit a straight line regression equation, right? Or else he will be asking fit a straight line regression equation x on y or y on x from the following data, or else he will asking you from the following information calculate regression equation. ऐसा पूछे के he will be giving you this type of question, right? What are the difference between actual mean and assumed mean in question paper, sir? So in question paper, he doesn't ask you about any assumed mean, then there is no need to take assumed mean. You have to follow the actual mean method. So Pratishat, 100% he will be asking you only actual mean method. 100%. If at all not, he will be asking you assumed mean method. So in assumed mean method, nothing is there. Extra fitting you have to take, that is dx dy, वो sum करना है. What are the differences between actual, right? Any comment I'm missing here? No. So let's proceed with the next thing. Sometimes in regression he may ask the sum in different manner, right? So how to solve it? The following results are worked from the scores. He will be giving you mean, standard deviation, and also the value of r, and also the value of x, and also the value of y. You have to find out the regression, right? सब दे देता उन्हें, उसमें find out करना पड़ता अपने को. Generally, if it is assumed mean method, then he will be asking you in question. Assumed mean method hai to he will be asking you, adu untene special ga adugutadu anamata, babu idi assumed mean indula actual itla cheyandi ani. If nothing is specified in the question, then go with actual mean method only. So sir, if the mean value comes in decimals, then we should apply assumed mean method. It is not like that. You can go with decimals also. Right. So here, let's proceed.
Yes, yes.
Is it okay for everyone regression?
Yes.
Short answers में फिर से मैं दोहराता हूँ सब चीज़, ठीक है? Second unit, index number. We have done with regression equation, x on y, y on x, and also coefficient of correlation in a single problem. So if you are having any doubt, let me tell you beta how may formula to be learned from second unit. Yeah, वही तो आ रहा हूँ मैं. I am telling that only. Index numbers. Index numbers. Let's proceed with index numbers. The term index means an indicator. The term index means what? Indicator. Indicator. It indicates the changes, the great changes in given phenomena. बोले तो अब उन्होंने बताता कि भाई सीधी सी बात अरेंज చెప్తాడంటే index numbers లో last year my business earned this much, it was my product cost is this much, I sold these many goods at this price, and current year I am selling these many products at this price. Previous year, for example, this product I have sold for 15 rupees and 100 products I have sold. This year I am selling it at what price? For example, last year I sold for 15 rupees. Now this year I may change it 16 rupees or 17 rupees and the number of units sold. So last year to present year and the future, we will predict it. Base year అంటే previous year నుంచి ఈ ఇయర్ కి ఎంతైతే వాల్యూ వచ్చిందో we have a prediction of it. Understood beta? So that prediction goes with index numbers. Indicator. Index numbers is called as what? Indicator. So here he will be giving you as weighted and unweighted. How many? Unweighted. Unweighted में simple aggregate method होगा, price relative method होगा, उसमें geometric method, harmonic mean method करना है. So but in examination he will be asking you weighted index number. Under weighted aggregative index numbers, last price, Pasches, Marshall, Edgeworth, Darvish-Bowley, Fisher's ideal index numbers. These five are very important. Once again, repeating: Laspre's, Pasches, Fishers, Marshall Edgeworth, and Darvish-Bowley. This five very important. Fishers तो 100% बहुत ज्यादा, कौन सा भी दियो फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना है, फिशर्स ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, ज्यादा बोले तो ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. इन गिवन क्वेश्चन ही में आस्क यू ऑल द थिंग्स. इट इज नॉट कंपल्सरी दैट ही विल बी आस्किंग ओनली वन, రైట్. ఫిషెస్ ఎక్కి పూచుకే నేను చూడతాను, ఫిషెస్ ఒకటి అడిగి వదిలేడు, ఒకటే క్వశ్చన్ లో 3-4 చేయమని చెప్తాడు, 3-4 करो बोलता हूँ तो करना पड़ता, सब सीखना पड़ता है. 5 फार्मूला सीखे ना, इजी है. एक फार्मूला सीखे तो वही फार्मूला दूसरों को यूज कर सकते हैं. am I right?
Yes, sir.
Right, पूर्णिमा मन्ना?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can we do question number 1 on assume mean method? Which sum? Textbook sum. सर लॉगरिथम्स के सम्स यूनिट 5 में है ना सर, प्लीज वो भी एक्सप्लेन करो ना सर. लॉगरिथम्स, anti-log Poisson distribution. All right, I will explain it afternoon. Afternoon is very important. 4th 5th ये भी important है, ये 3 यूनिट्स कवर कर रहा हूँ मैं. So it means I am covering 12 36 marks now. And afternoon I will be covering more 12 60 marks for long answer and 20 marks for short answer in the afternoon session. Prince Prashu sir, can you explain once again? My phone data not properly, I was not unable to listen the class. Happy birthday boy. Right. Sir, probability भी sir please, definitely probability will be asked. Question paper भी बोलो, question paper afternoon session I'll tell you. Question paper, short answer questions, and 4th 5th unit. Many students are waiting for 4th 5th unit, so I'll be explaining that in the afternoon session. Understood? Right. Sir, एक assumed mean question समझा दो sir please. Assumed mean method question is not mandatory sir. Okay, let's proceed with index numbers. Definitely I will explain you assumed mean method का question in short answer type. At that time I'll definitely tell you beta, don't worry. Uday Kumar Dubey 100% afternoon session I'll explain you. Okay, explain in Telugu. Baswaraj తెలుగులో కూడా చెప్తున్నా బట్ అప్పటి నుంచి. రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ no any random question. Yeah, definitely Amina Begum random questions I'll explain. Sir 2023 में assumed mean पूछा पेपर में, कोई टेंशन नहीं है, I'll explain assumed mean method also. Okay. Huh? Sir, for regression coefficients of x on y, the formula is sigma xy by sigma y square. Yes. Can you explain question number 20 unit 2? Sir अभी 4th explain कर दो ना. नहीं बेटा, मैं ये पैटर्न के हिसाब से जा रहा हूँ मैं. फर्स्ट आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग यू फर्स्ट यूनिट, एंड फर्स्ट यूनिट में बच्चे पूछ रहे थे सर एक अज्यूम्ड मीन मेथड समझा दो. अज्यूम्ड मीन समझा देंगे और एल्स नो? चलो, the students who want assumed mean method also in regression, let's start. Sir, please, marketing, research and management. Which year it is? Rohit, I don't have SIA book beta. Shall I continue with assumed mean method? Shabdama? So it will take a time of 10 minutes to solve this in assumed mean method. Let's proceed it. 10 to 15 minutes में हो जाता बेटा है. So let's start. Okay? Right? ये x से y मेरे हिसाब से लगाता हूँ. మనోజ్ రెడ్డి కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అయిపోతుంది సార్. चलो assume mean continue within 10-15 minutes will complete it. So nothing to worry here. The same question I am solving in assumed mean method. यही question मैं assumed mean method में solve करने वाला हूँ. Right. So here assumed mean values. Whenever we are assuming it, so the value differs here. कौन सा भी एक number अपने हिसाब से assume करना रहता है यहाँ पे. ठीक है. So here next dx square y dy square dx into dy. Right. Now economics we have thought it as x. Okay. So what we have to do is from this x value assume any least value. सबसे छोटा value अन्निटिकंटे चिन्ह value assume చేసుకుందాం. सबसे छोटा है 25 we are assuming it, right? So I am assuming here a is equal to 25. What we have to do here? We have to deduct it. What we have to do? X minus assumed mean, right? So you'll get dx. So here 25 minus, we are assuming 25 as the mean. So 25 minus 25, 0. 28 minus 25, 3. 35 minus 25, 10. 32 minus 25, 7. 31 minus 25, 6. 36 minus 25, 11. 39 minus 25, 14. 38 minus 25, 13. 34 minus 25, 9. 32 minus 25, 7. Chalo. Now whatever the value we got, we have to square it. 0 into 0, 0. 3 3s, 9. 10 10s, 100. 7 7s, 49. 6 6, 36. 11 11, 121. 14 14s are 196. 13 13, 169. 9 9s, 7 7s. Right. Now let's write the y values here. Y values here is 43, 46, 49, 41, 36, 32, 31, 30, 33 and 39. From this I'll assume the least value. What is the least value here? 30 is the least value I am assuming. 30 as assumed mean for y. So here a is equal to 30. So y minus y mean. So 43 minus 30, 13. So 46, 16. 49 minus 30, 19. 41 minus 30, 11. 36 minus 30, 6. 32 minus 30, 2. 31 minus 30, 1. 30 minus 30, 33 minus 30, 39 minus 30, 9. dy square. इसका स्क्वायर करो. 13 13s 169. 16 16s 256. 19 19 361. 11 11 121. 6 6 36. 3 2 2 4 1 0 9 81. Next we have to multiply dx into dy. So dx, this is the value, and dy, this is the value. 0 into 13, 0. 3 into 16, 48. 10 into 19, 190. 7 into 11, 77. 6 into 6, 36. 11 twos are 22. 14 ones, 14. 13 0, 0. 9 threes, 27. 7 nines are how much? 63. Right? So here next what we have to total this everything. Okay, beta. There are fast here again. Total of dx dy. This one. Right. Total of dy square. Total of dx 80. And total of dx square. Someone do it. 810. For which? Dx square? 810. For y? There is no need. Dy, sigma dy. Dy 13, 16, 19, 11, 6, 2, 1, 3, 9. Which one? 1038. What about dxy? There are 29, 30, 39, 49, 59, 60. And the 80. Right. Now we have to substitute in the formula here. So here average को लेना नहीं, इसमें से भी कौन सा भी नंबर अपन अज्यूम कर सकते हैं. सबसे लीस्ट वैल्यू वी कैन अज्यूम इट. మీరు లాయర్ సార్ పక్కన అన్ని బుక్స్ ఉన్నాయి. Calculate anti-log. Please explain with the problem. Also, can you explain how to solve logarithm problems? Please, sir, from Unit 5. Definitely, afternoon session, I will be explaining you Unit number 4, 5, and short answer types. Now, tell me the values here. Your formula. I am pursuing law, LLB, sir. LLB చదువుతున్నాను ప్రస్తుతానికి. I teach CMA, CA students. Shivani Bomma can teach. A formula I am writing here in exam. Can I do assuming method? Sir, if we ask you actual mean method easy है, assuming method थोड़ा ये होता. Archana, hello. Right. And here you can go with assumed or actual. It is your wish. Right. Now let's start. Regression equation. What is the formula, Sachin? X minus x mean is equal to regression of standard deviation of x by standard deviation of y. Y minus y mean. This is the formula, right? So now to calculate this part, that is regression equation standard deviation x by standard y, the formula is R, standard deviation x by standard deviation y is equal to, what is the formula? Sigma dx dy minus sigma dx into dx into sigma dy
by n
by n
whole divided by
sigma dy square
minus
minus
sigma dy whole square
whole square
by
by n. This is a formula, right? This is a formula to calculate the value of this regression R. ये value find out करने के लिए actual mean method it was sigma x by sigma x square. Now the formula for assumed mean method is this one. So here now tell me sigma dx dy is how much? 477 minus sigma dx into sigma dy. Sigma dx is how much? 80 into sigma dy 80 divided by sigma dy square is how much?
divided 80 into 80 divided by 10.
Right, 1 second. 80 into 80 divided by n is how much? 10 divided by sigma dy square is how much?
1038
1038 minus sigma dy square
80 whole square 80 whole square
80
whole square
whole square by n. This whole square is for only dy or also n? Only dy, right?
by
So
10
by n is 10. Now solve it. 477 minus 80 into 80
6400
6400 divided by 10
640
640. This 80 into 80 6400 बेटा divided by 10 is 640. ठीक है, वो लिखा मैं यहाँ पे याद रास ले लो. Next divided by 1038 minus 80 into 80 it is 6400 again divided by 10 640. So 477 minus 640 divided by 1038 minus 640
minus 163
minus 163 divided by 398. What is the value?
minus 0.40
Minus 0.40. This is the value for right. Okay. So now we have to substitute. So now we have to substitute. X minus mean is how much beta here? X mean we have assumed it, right?
25
25. Okay, is equal to the value of this value R. कितना आया? Minus 0.40 regression value. Next y we don't know. Y mean is how much?
30
We assumed 30. Let's solve this. X minus 25 is equal to 0.40 into y minus 0.40 y. Minus into minus plus 0.40 into 30
12
12. Okay. Right now x is equal to minus 0.40 y plus 12 plus 25. ये 25 అక్కడ పోతే ప్లస్ అయిపోతుంది. X is equal to minus 0.40 y plus 37. This is the value of regression equation x on y. Chalo. Anything else? It is not like that. You can't take one thing as assumed, another thing as actual. If you are doing the sum, total consider as actual mean or total consider as assumed mean. In parts you can't do it. Chalo, let's proceed with unit number 2, that is index number. Chalo, one take the screenshot of it. Ruhi, sir, can we take position chart in the center? There is no need to take position chart in the center. It is very easy to do it. I'll tell you how to do it without carrying a chart list. How to solve it? I'll tell you in the afternoon session live. Instead of dividing and can we multiply it with dx dy in numerator? No. Shivani Bommakanti, formalize this one beta. So I have given time to take screenshot, right? Now we'll start with index numbers. In index numbers, we have to go with 3 types of problems, right? It is time consuming. After the time series, ये पूरा complete करके I'll close the live by 1 o'clock. Then people can go for lunch. People can go for prayer, namaz, something. Later on, after 3:30, 4 o'clock, I will be in live again. Let's proceed with index numbers. The term index means what? Indicator. Index का मतलब क्या होता है? Indicator. So indicator indicates what is the past, our performance, price and quantity with the current year. So last year to current year, we are what? Comparing it and predicting the future. For example, I know a student Tulsi Reddy, right? Last year he got 45% and current year he got 50%. There is an improvement. In the next year he will be getting 50% to 60%, right? So it is a prediction about our performances. Whatever we performed in the past, from that we can predict the future. So this happens. So let's start with index numbers. Last price, past cheese, Fisher's index numbers, Bowley's, Marshall Edgeworth, this everything in single sum I will be going to tell. After that I'm going to tell you factor reversal test, time reversal test. Next, cost of living index, then we'll complete index numbers. After that we'll go to third unit. Stay tuned, do practice in live. Why? Because this is enough for your examination. Yes, I can't pronounce your name, Conan Khan something. Coefficient of correlation, root of bxy dot byx. ये तो करा था बेटा, पिछले सम में करा था, मैं मेड दिया. I did it. So we have successfully completed unit number 1. 12 mark pakka, 12 marks pakka. And business statistics, the students can score outstanding. Why? Because one of my student, Sachin, scores outstanding every time. And many students will score, but he is one of my student. And now now onwards, you people be also scoring full marks. So here, right. Now proceed with index numbers. The chapter is index numbers. If somebody बीच में आ जाएंगे लाइव में पूछेंगे कौन सा चैप्टर, तो इसलिए हेडिंग लिख दे रहा हूँ इंडेक्स नंबर्स, राइट. Let's proceed with unweighted, right? What is the formula? Sarita Das, last price. Under last price method, what is the formula? 1 is equal to root Fisher's question. Sigma P1 Q0 divided by P0 Q naught into 100 Laspers. And passes P naught 1 is equal to sigma by P naught Q1 into 100. And what about Fisher's ideal? Tell me the formula for Fisher's.
Sigma P1 Q1 root of sigma P1 Q1 by P0 Q0
into sigma P1 Q1 by P0 Q1 into 100, right? So now Laspers and Passes. P stands for price, Q stands for quantity here. So P0 stands for base year and P1 stands for current year. Q0 stands for basic quantity, Q1 stands for current year quantity. So here, if you remember these two formulas, it's enough. Why? Because the remaining formulas में ये two formulas use होते हैं. ये రెండు formulas से सरिपोते हैं अनमाटा. Uday Kiran Dubey, I also scored outstanding grade, sir. Thank you, बेटा. हमेशा ऐसे स्कोर करते रहो. Last price 1000, passes 1101. Yes. 10 1000 1101 1000 1101. Right. Chalo. Let's start with a simple sum. There is a product called as A, B, C, D and E. These are the 5 products we are having. A, B, C, D and E. From these products, the value is given 2019. The price and quantity is given here. So 2019, another information is 2020. Here price and also quantity is also given. So for this 2019, we call it as base year. 19 and 20 में कौन सा year है? Base 19 and 20 is current year. So now the price I am assuming from myself 10, 12, 15, 20, 25. Okay. So quantity I am assuming it as 30, 35, 40, 50. 40, 30, 25 and 20. So these are the 2019 and 2020. The price 11, 12, 13, 16, 20 and here the quantity here is 40, 42, 35, 30 and 25. So these are the values. Price 2019 20. So we can fix it as P naught and we can write this as quantity Q naught and this is P0 and this is Q0. Understood, sir? P1 Q1. Current year P1 Q1. Very good. Chalo. Now first we have to multiply. We can our wish P naught Q naught. Next P1 Q1. Next P1 Q0. Next P0 Q1. Right. Now let's multiply this. P naught Q naught. Here 10 into 30, 300. And 12 into 35, 420. 15 into 30, 450. 20 into 25, 500. Next 25 into 20, 500. Next P1 Q1. Here P1 into Q1. 11 into 40, 440. 12 into 42, 504. 13 into 35, 455. 16 into 30, 480. 20 into 25, 500. P1 Q0. Right? So P1 into Q0. 30 into 11, 330. 35 12, 420. 30 13, 390. 25 16, 400. 20 20, 400. Next P0 Q1. So P0 into Q1. 10 into 40, 400. 12 into 42, 504. 15 into 35, 525. 20 into 30, 600. 25 into 25, 625. Now total these values. Sigma P0 Q0, P1 Q1, P1 Q0, Sigma P0 Q1. 1000, 1800, 1800, 1200, 1270, 1270. 2654, 2379. And this one? 1940. So let's proceed with the formula. First, last price. Last price formula P1 is equal to P1 Q0 by P0 Q0, right? Into 100. Now P1 Q0 कितना है total? 1940 ఉంది. Divided by P0 Q0 ఎంత ఉంది? 1270 into 100. So 1940 by 1270? 527 into 100. 7. So this is for last price. Next passage. Under passage, the formula is P1 Q1 by alright. Now P1 Q1 is how much beta? 2379 divided by P0 Q1 2654 into 100. 0.8963 into 100. Right. Next, Fisher's ideal index number. Once check it. Total wrong. Right. Let's start with Fisher's ideal index number. Is equal to root of last price and past चीज दोनों को multiply कर लो. Right. P1 Q0 by P0 Q0 into. You have to write the formulas there compulsorily. If you don't write formula, you'll lose marks. Out of the box 100. Right. Now P01 is equal to root of P1 Q0 is how much? 1940 divided by P0 Q0 1270 into 2379 by 2654. Now tell me. 1.527 into 0.89 into 100. दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करो. 1.527 into 0.896. 1.368 into 100, right? So calculate this root. Root of 1.368. 169 into 100. 116. This is according to the Fisher's ideal index numbers, right? So for theory questions, long and short, will be explained after noon. After noon, I'll be again joining live. Now, unit number 1, completed. Unit number 2, index numbers. He will be asking you Pakka, last phrase, past cheese, Fisher's ideal index numbers, and else Marshall,
Garbage.
Darvish, Bowley. So these 5 are important, sir. So let's start with Bowley, Marshall, Darvish, Marshall, Edgeworth. So tell me the formula for this. Sigma P1Q0 by root is not there. Sigma P1Q0 by P0.
Every other addition. P1 Q0 plus P1 sigma P1 Q. P0 Q1.
Into right. Now P1Q0 is 1940 into 1940 plus 2379 divided by P0Q0 is 1270 plus 2654 into 100. So 1940 plus 2379 4319. 1270 plus 2654 last into 100. Divide is 1.100. After dividing you got it. Idiot. 4319
1.10.
into 100.
110.0.
Chalo, this is Marshall, Edgeworth. Done. So one question he will be asking you from index numbers basically on this. Sir, keep this video in your channel after ending this live so that we can catch up. Safura Fatima. Sure. Sir, screenshot. Sir, weighted arithmetic. Sir, keep this video in your channel. Yes. Take a screenshot. पासिंग मार्क्स इज हाउ मच सर? मैं आप लोगों को पास करा के कहीं पे लेके जाना सोच रहा हूँ अच्छे से मार्क्स में. तुम लोग पास मार्क्स पूछ रहे मेरे को, राइट? सो पास मार्क्स इज 28. इफ यू गो विथ रिग्रेशन, इफ यू गो विथ दिस सम 12 प्लस 24, यहीं पे 24 मार्क्स आ गए. Sir, 4th unit, 5th unit theory, please. I'll tell you afternoon live में whether theory appears in 4th and 5th unit या sums will appear. Who said it is 36? 100 मार्क के लिए 36, 35 पास है तो 80 मार्क के लिए 36 कैसा होता? Shaheen Begum, is a time reversal test important, factor reversal test important? Yes, if it is important, we can't deny the fact. You have to go with it. Compulsory करना पड़ेगा. And in second unit, base shifting is also important. Let's start with base shifting, right? Let's start with base shifting in index numbers. Index numbers will do one sum which is called as base shifting. Only 5 formulas are enough to remember L 7th formula. Kelly और एक वो है ना उतना जरूरत नहीं है. This is very important. Yeah. Splicing is also important. First, I'll go with base shifting. After base shifting, we'll go with cost of living index. Then after, it's enough for unit number 2. Okay. Splicing. Yeah. First, we'll go with base index, base shifting. Then we'll go with splicing. Weighted. बस हो जाता बेटा, ये बहुत हो जाता. पहले इन्हें पूछता हूँ ना कंपलसरी ये क्वेश्चन और एक अभी अपन कर रहे so we should not leave. Why? Because the students should score full marks, right? In that we are preparing it. This is enough for exam. Manoj Reddy, this is enough for exam. Okay, so but you have to go with this base shifting once. एक बार क्या हुआ, ये पूरे सम सीखे गए बच्चे बेस शिफ्टिंग का सम दे दिया. बेस शिफ्टिंग बहुत इजी है, बच्चों को करने नहीं आता, सर सुने नहीं कभी क्लास में. तो इसलिए बेस शिफ्टिंग बताता हूँ, स्प्लाइसिंग बताता हूँ, कॉस्ट ऑफ लिविंग इंडेक्स 3 सम बताता हूँ इंडेक्स नंबर्स में. 3 సమ్ములు చూపిస్తా. బేస్ షిఫ్టింగ్, స్ప్లైసింగ్, ఇంకోటి వచ్చేసేసి కాస్ట్ ఆఫ్ లివింగ్ ఇండెక్స్. ఈ 3 చూపిస్తే ఇండెక్స్ నంబర్స్ టోటల్ కంప్లీటెడ్. formula. Q1 P1 कहाँ है पहले? क्वांटिटी इंडेक्स नंबर्स में nightmare gamer, some I don't know the name, you nightmare gamer. So here क्वांटिटी इंडेक्स नंबर्स में क्वांटिटी से शुरू करें तो फॉर एग्जांपल अब P1 Q1 बाई P0 Q1 ये करे थे ना एक फॉर्मूला पैस्टिस का. सो इसमें अगर पैस्टिस का क्वांटिटी इंडेक्स नंबर, दिस इज फॉर प्राइस इंडेक्स नंबर. इफ यू आस्क फॉर क्वांटिटी यू हैव टू शिफ्ट इट. Q1 ये प्लेस में आता, P के प्लेस में Q आता, उतना ही. सो Q1 P1 बाई that's it, nothing to worry about it. So let's start with base shifting beta. So base shifting, the heading, base shifting, new index is equal to current year index divided by base year index. So he said that reconstruct the following. This is a question. Reconstruct the following by shifting base to year 1975. I am doing question sum. So here year is given 19. Right. Question year 1970, 1971, 1972, 1973. So I am writing here beta. Year 1970, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. So he has given the year. Now he has given the index number, right? Index number 120, 150, 160, 180, 200, 200, 210, 240. So this is index number is given. So he asking us to reconstruct the following by shifting base to year 1975. So now what is the question? अभी आपने करना क्या है? Old index. Old index is what? Same 120, 150, 160, 180, 200, 200, 210 and 240. अब अपने को फाइंड आउट करना है न्यू इंडेक्स. न्यू इंडेक्स कैसा कर सकते हैं? फॉर्मूला करंट ईयर बाय बेस ईयर. So here he is saying that 1975 का जो वैल्यू है, 1975 వాల్యూ ఏదైతే ఉందో, the value of index is 200 ఉంది. దీన్ని మనం బేస్ షిఫ్టింగ్ చేయాలా అంటున్నాడు. ఏమంటుండో? బేస్ షిఫ్టింగ్ అంటాడు. సో నౌ ఇండెక్స్ నంబర్ क्या करना है अभी अपने को? अभी ओल्ड इंडेक्स है ना 120, so 120 डिवाइडेड बाय बेस कितना है? 200. समझ में आया? 1975 का बेस कितना है? 200 into 100 is equal to how much? 60. Next second year 150 divided by base 1975 क्या लेना? हर सम को अन्निटिकी 200 తీసుకోవాలి ఇక్కడ. 75 ఇయర్ ది into 100 75. 160 by 200 into 100 80. 180 by 200 into 100 90. 200 by 200 into 100 100. 200 by 200 into 100 100. 210 by 200 into 100 105. And 240 by 200 into 100 120. This is base shifting. हो गया कंप्लीट. इतना ही है बेस शिफ्टिंग.
Not 12 months, 4 months. It's like that from 12 months.
बेस शिफ्टिंग. सो जनरली बेस शिफ्टिंग जो है सेकेंड यूनिट, and he will be asking you in normal sum for examination. I'm telling sir, is this important simple average of price relative using geometric mean? It is not important for 12 marks. Base shifting in percentage, it is not mentioned sir. जरूरत नहीं है. एक एक बार chain index numbers. Chain index number, how many people know it? Chain index. If anybody knows chain index, please say yes or no. Yes, Usha, yes. Very good. Usha, you know business statistics very well, I think. Online education, yes, sir. Pranay Reddy, yes, sir. Base theorem probability will be explained in the afternoon section in live. Once again, base shifting. So if you know chain index is good. From index numbers, once again I'm repeating here that he will be asking you this Fisher's ideal, whatever this 5 formulas is very important, and also one question will be asked from cost of leaving index. Cost of leaving index, one question will be asked, or sometimes he asked a conversion of fixed index to chain index number. Conversion fixed to chain, chain to fix, very important. Anju, understood? So for examination point of view, this is enough, sir, whatever we have learned. Why? Because if you are going with this, it's enough. If anybody is having any doubt, let's see this in the, what do you call, next live. Let's proceed with unit number 3. Sir, explain chain index. Sir, table value chat paper lo istara. A table de probability, యాంటీ లాగ్, లాగ్. అది క్యాల్కులేట్ చేయడానికి మన బేసిక్ క్యాల్కులేటర్ చాలు. నా వీడియోస్ చూడలేదా మీరు? యాంటీ లాగ్ క్యాల్కులేషన్ అండ్ లాగ్ క్యాల్కులేషన్ షార్ట్ వీడియోస్. సో ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ ఐ విల్ బి ఎక్స్ప్లెయినింగ్ యూ వన్ ప్రాబ్లమ్, Gaussian distribution and binomial distribution, base theorem, etc. So now for this unit number 2, it's enough beta. Cost of leaving index is also important. Once go through that.
time factor, pricing method, and
Time and factor splicing method. క్యాల్కులేషన్ ఉన్నప్పుడు స్టూడెంట్స్కి ఎందుకు క్యాల్కులేషన్ అడుగుతారు సార్? ఏం చేస్తాం, స్టూడెంట్స్ కూడా క్లాస్లో పండుకున్నారా మేల్కున్నారా తెలవాలి కదా. Dhanalakshmi, shall we start with cost of living index? Right. One sum I'll teach you for cost of living index beta. Sir, एक बार repeat करो ना please. First and second important. In unit number 2, regression problem, actual mean method and also assumed mean method. Already दो पढ़ा दिया मैं, दोनों पढ़ लो. It's very important, 100%. Rajesh, in unit number 1, what is important? Regression under actual or assumed mean method, very very important, पक्का आएगा सब. Unit number 2, index numbers, unweighted index, ये last price, past cheese, Bowley's, Marshall, जो भी है ना, Fishers, etc. And also now I have explained you base shifting. Now it is cost of living index, very important, very very important. This is very important beta. Those who don't know, please take a pen and book, calculator, do along with me. समझ में आ जाएगा. So cost of living index. Cost of living index, the formula is so where P is equal to, are you sleeping? Then you're not responding. Yeah, this is 2000, this is 2005, this is 2000, 2005. Okay, right. The question is given here, commodity. Okay, how many commodities are there? Let us take A, B, C, D, E, F. 6 commodities are there. And what is the value here? Quantity
in units,
for the year 2000. Year is 2000, right? And now tell in units.
100.
100.
25, only 25.
100.
25.
25.
10.
10.
20.
20.
25.
25.
30.
30. Right. Next, price is given, right? So price is given for 2000. Right. Tell me the price.
8.
8.
6.
6.
5.
5.
48.
48.
15.
15.
9.
9. And next, quantity is given.
Price.
Again price is given. Right.
For 2005.
2005 year price.
12.
12.
7.50.
7.50.
5.25.
5.25.
52.
52.
16.50.
16.50.
27.
27. So this is the price. So here P, 2000 year का price, ये 2005 का price. So this is P0 and this is P1. Current year price P1 and base year is P0 here. Understood, beta?
Yes, sir.
So let's proceed. Sir, can you repeat the important questions from unit number 2? Unit number 2, last price past year's Fisher's ideal index numbers, इसका एक sum and cost of living index, bus base index, and conversion of chain to fixed to chain. Now, sir, or quantity will be only one, sir. Quantity will be one. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Next, P is equal to P1 by P0 into 100. Last is P into V. Chalo. In this question, he has given quantity, single quantity and different prices. Same quantity in the year 2000, the prices 8, 6, 5, 48, 59. And in the year 2005, the price for the same quantity is 12, 7.5, 5.25, 52, 16.5, 27. So now P0, Q0. If you multiply this, you will get V value right here, volume. So here now P0, Q0, P0 into Q, 100 into 8,
800.
25 into 6,
150.
150, 10 into 5, 50, 20 into 48, 960, 25 into 15, 375, 30 into 9,
275.
right. Now next P1 into Q0 you have to multiply. So P1 into Q0, 100 into 12, 1200, 25 into 7.5,
187.5.
187.5, 10 into 5.25,
52.5.
20 into 52,
1040.
25 into 16.5,
412.5.
412.5, 30 into 27,
810.
8 to 10, right? Now next, this is capital P, right? P is equal to P1 by P0 into 100. So here P1 is how much? 12. 12 divided by 8 into 100 is how much?
150.
150. Next, 7.5 into 100 we have to do it, beta. Right. Next, 7. What happened? So we have to multiply with 100. Right? So P1, 12 divided by 100. 12 divided by, 8 into 100. How much? 150. Next, 7.5 by 6 into 100.
125.
125. 5.5 divided by 5. 5.25 divided by 5 into 100. 105. 52 divided by 48 into 100. 16.5 divided by 15 into 100. 110. Next, 27 divided by 9 into 100. 300. Next, we have to multiply this V with P. 800 into 150.
120,000.
150 into 125.
18,750.
50 into 105.
525. 525.
960 into 108.3.
1,03,960.
375 into 110.
41,000.
270 into 300.
81,000.
What is the total of this? PV.
0,316. It's all up. It's not for 3. 1,04,000.
If you write it as 3, it will be 1 lakh 4, right? So now tell the total of this.
Relax 70.
3 lakh.
70.
Right. Now cost of living index. Cost of living index is equal to, formula is sigma PV by sigma V. So here 370250 divided by, इसका टोटल कितना है? 2605. 2605.
142.13.
This is the cost of living index. Cost of living index is also called as weighted average of price relative. Yes. Usha is having good knowledge. Keep it up. Sir A. ఏంటిది రాఘవేంద్ర? సార్ మీ బుక్లో వెయిట్స్ ఇంకా ఇండెక్స్ నెంబర్ ఇచ్చారు కాస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఇండెక్స్కి. ఓకే. If anyone is having any doubt, let me know it, sir, fast. Any doubts? Sir, how will be the question be asked for this sum? Family budgeting he may ask, or he may ask about the cost of living index. For food, clothing, shelter, etc. What is the cost to Anish adugutadu anamata. Sir, chain index numbers explain. Right, for this it's enough beta. Let's proceed with unit number 3 now. Take a screenshot of this. So here, students, let's continue, or you want to take lunch break? Factor reversal test, time reversal test. It is easy beta. P01 into P10. Amina Begum, let's continue. Usha, lunch break. Unit 3 lunch as you told. After Unit 3 lunch as you told. Sir, 3 unit complete kar do sir abhi. हाँ. So let's proceed with unit number 3. Let's complete it. Let's wind up. Then we'll go with unit number 4 and 5 and short answer questions. Done? Ashwini, are you there? Third unit, the name is time series. In this, he will be asking you 3 different varieties of problems. One is called as moving average. Moving average में odd year moving, even year moving. 2 methods. Moving average method बोलते हैं time series में बहुत ही important. Every time he will be asking you one question from that. Moving average, odd year moving, even year moving. Next, second one is what? Cost least square method. Second one is what? Least square method. Already a video has been uploaded for this, right?
Yes,
So let's do it. Kaita Vaishnavi, good explanation, sir. Thank you so much. మీకు అర్థమైతే చాలు బేటా. चलो, let's proceed.
Yes, sir.
What happened? Dear students, energy गिर गया क्या तुम लोगों का?
No, sir.
Visual, energy down. अच्छा नाम बोलना बोलता. Yes, Payal.
Yes, sir.
Right. फॉर्मूला बहुत है. किसमें? आप पढ़ा रहे तो कभी एनर्जी डाउन नहीं होता सर. उदय किरण दुबे, दुबे साहब, थैंक यू. फॉर एग्जाम्पल टाइम सीरीज किस लिए करते बोले तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल प्रीवियस 5 इयर्स का कोई भी बजट करना है. अग्रिकल्चर के ऊपर कितना खर्चा हुआ, फूड के ऊपर कितना खर्चा हुआ, गवर्नमेंट कोई स्कीम लगाई, गवर्नमेंट ఏదైనా స్కీమ్ పెట్టింది, ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ మీల్స్, మిడ్ డే మీల్స్ అని చెప్పి, సో कितना गवर्नमेंट का एक्सपेंडिचर हुआ, इज एवरीथिंग लास्ट फ्यू इयर्स का कितना हो रहा, ये कैलकुलेट करते हैं अपन टाइम सीरीज के हिसाब से, राइट. सो नाउ व्हाई द स्टोरी, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द सम. We draw graph in examination? No dear. If you ask to draw a straight line, then you have to draw it. Many people don't know what is the syllabus till now. There are some students. Moving average method. First start with moving average method. Chalo, let's do with odd year moving average method. Odd year moving. Can I have a marker please? So here let's proceed with odd year moving. What year moving?
Odd year moving.
Odd beta, odd. Odd year girl. Odd year moving. average. So what are the odd numbers, Sachin? 3, 5, 7, etc. So in examination it's not more than 3, 5. पूछा तो third 3 year, नहीं तो 5th year पूछेगा. Yes or no?
Yes.
So he said in the question that find out 3 year moving average from the following. जो फॉलो कर रहा उसका मूविंग एवरेज फाइंड आउट करो बोला. Yes, Sarita Das. Right. Are you there in the class? 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7. बस है छोटा सा बस है. What do you say?
Yes, sir.
What is the value here? Sir, moving average and least square, 2 methods are enough na sir. No need to semi average method. But least square method is very important, and also this method is also very important. चलो let's proceed. देखो बच्चों को इतना ज़्यादा जानकारी है. It's very good to hear. Here is given and value is given. Let us assume the value as 110, 120, 125, 130, 140, 162, 170. So for this he is asking us to do the moving average. So first we have to write the 3-year moving average. First we have to do 3-year moving. यानी 3 साल ऐड करते जाना అంటే 3 సంవత్సరాలు యాడ్ చేసుకుంటూ పోవాలా. 110, 120, 125. Add this 3. 355. अब थोड़े बच्चे पूछे इससे पहले सर ये ऐड करे तो ये पहले मेरा था उससे मतलब नहीं है इंదులో టెన్షన్ ఏం లేదు 3 యాడ్ చేసుకుంటూ పోవాలా ఫస్ట్ 110 120 125 we have added we got 355 next skip 110 next add the remaining 3 120 125 130 375 skip 120 next 125 130 140 395 skip 125 130 140 162 432 skip 130 140 162 170 472 अभी ऐड करने के लिए खाली 2 नंबर ही है तीसरा नंबर नहीं है so when it is not there you have to leave it. Okay, next we'll go with 3-year moving average. Okay beta, so 3-year moving average 355 divided by 3 375 by 3 395 by 3 432 by 3 472 by 3. Because he is saying 3 year is that is the reason we are dividing by 3 to get the average. If he is saying 5 year we have to divide by 5. 355 by 3
118.33.
118.33. 375 by 3 125. 395 by 3 432 by 3 144. 472 by 3 33. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Right. So this is 3-year moving average. That's it. Sum इतना ही है. Moving average का 3 years का. वीडियो చూసి పాస్ అవుతున్నాం సార్. అన్నారం సాయి కుమార్. Very good. You are God sir. Thank you sir. I am not God sir. I am just teacher. We draw graph in examination. Explain graph. Where it is? Sir, also explain graph. Definitely. Definitely. I'll try my best to draw graph. Why? Because I'm not a good artist, even though I'll try it. So this is 3-year moving average. Agar he asked 5-year moving average, you have to add 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 1, remaining 5. Skip 1, remaining 5. So that is for odd year moving averages. When it comes with even year moving averages, what sir?
Even year moving averages.
right? Even year moving averages. For example, uh, shall I remove this? Okay, right. Mickey, మీ explanation మస్తు గురూజీ. Thank you जी. Five-year moving average. No, not 5 year. 5 year is, you know it, how to do it. Add 5 5s and divide by 5. Next, even year moving average. We'll go with even year moving average. Right, even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. Right, so you can go with that. Okay. Year is given 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010. Right, and the value is given. Okay, so value is given, for example, 80, 85, 90, 100, 110, 120. So he asked us to do even year for 4-year moving. 4-year moving average he asked. So when he asked us 4-year moving, how to do the sum? So first we have to take 4-year moving. So add 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 80 plus 85 plus 90 plus 100. How much? 355. Next skip first number, remaining 4. 85, 90, 100 and 110. 385. Skip second number, remaining 4. 90, 100, 110, 120. 420. Skip third number. So we have left out with only 3. So 4 hai to karna. So we have to skip this. Okay. So next is 4-year moving average. So we have to do 355 by 4.
88.75.
Right. 385 by 4.
96.75.
420 by 4.
105.
105. Understood? Right. Next, whenever he asked us to do 4-year moving, 4-year moving के साथ 2-year moving भी कर लेना पड़ता है यहाँ पे. ठीक है. So now 2-year moving चाहिए वस्तुदी moving. Now 88.75, 96.25 and 105. दो नंबर ऐड करो. 88.75 plus 96.25. 185. Next, skip first number. Next, remaining 2. 201.25. Right. Next, 2-year moving average. 185 by 2. 201.25 by 2. 185 by 2, how much? 92 point. And 201.25 by 2. 625. Right. So this is for even year moving average. Odd year we have completed, and even year also we have completed. Let's if it is okay, take a screenshot. Let's proceed with అన్నారం సాయి కుమార్ థర్డ్ సెమిస్టర్ మీరు చెప్పినట్టు పోయి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ రాశాను సార్, పాస్డ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సాయి కిరణ్. నువ్వు ఇలాగే ప్రతిసారి పాస్ అవుతూ ఉండాలి డెఫినెట్గా. No, 50-year average is there, so no need of doing 3. When 4-year is there, you have to do 2-year also along with it. Even may 4-year moving, we got these values. For 2-year moving, what we have to do? Add this to we got 185. First one skip, add this remaining 2, you got 201.25. Next 2-year moving average, जो 2-year moving है divide by 2, 201.25 divided by 2, you'll get second year moving average, 2 years moving average. Good afternoon.
अभी 6 years का होगा 6 से 4 to 10 करना
No sir, 642. So one time he asked 12 years data, 6 year moving average. So 6, 4, 2 you have to do. बट उतना नहीं पूछता वो, यू को उतना सीन नहीं है, सिंपल पूछेगा वो, क्योंकि बच्चों का भविष्य बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है ना, इसलिए सब बच्चों का एवरेज निकाल के क्वेश्चन पेपर बनाता. Right, let's proceed with least square method. Sir, if you learn moving averages method, then no need for least square method. Don't take it chance, beta. You have to learn least square method is one of the very important method. If at all in third unit he will be asking you some theory, then sum करो full marks आ जाते, ठीक है. So there are some students who are unable to do sums, but these are very basic sums, right? You can do it. Sir, congratulations for 1000 subscription, 1k subscribers. Thank you so much. Your people support should be always with me. Next, right, next sir, 4th and 5th is quite tough. We'll try to make it easy.
graph
Least square method first, then graph. Sir, family budget method చెప్పండి. అది అయిపోయింది, సెకండ్ యూనిట్ వెళ్ళి థర్డ్ యూనిట్కి వచ్చినాం మనం. Sir, if you learn moving, anyone we can attempt, sir. Yes, you can attempt your own. There is no restriction. You can attempt anyone. देखो कल का एग्जाम पेपर कैसा आता मैं आफ्टरनून में प्रेडिक्ट करूंगा. How it will appear. Okay. Let's proceed with least square method. Sarita Das, are you sleeping in the class? No response. Least square method. Full marks नहीं है तो जब बोलता हूँ तुम्हारा काम, आप नहीं. Least square method. Right. So Na plus, this is the formula, right?
Yes, sir.
Here the value of A. The value of A is how much? To calculate, A is equal to sigma y by n. B is equal to
Sigma xy
sigma
xy by sigma x square.
sigma xy by sigma x square. छोटा छोटा बच्चा बोलता तू सो जा रहा क्लास में. At what time you will come live in the evening? I will tell you within 5 minutes. Why? Because I have to go with my team. They have to do this all setup, right? Right, least square method. I am going to do one problem, that is odd year moving. What year moving? Odd year moving. Even year moving you can do it, but odd year moving some people are getting confused. So we'll do odd year moving first. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So year is given 2005. దాదాపు ఇక్కడ నుంచి అంతా డేట్ ఆఫ్ బర్త్ అవే ఉంటుండొచ్చు కదా. సో 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2012. ఆడ్ ఇయర్ కదా, ఈవెన్ ఇయర్. ఏం చేద్దాం? ఆడ మగ కాదు, ఆడ్ ఇయర్. ధనలక్ష్మి మెంటల్ ఫెలో. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? 8. This is the year. Which textbook I am using? I am giving these values by my own beta. खुद का मैं values लगा के सम करा रहा हूँ आप लोगों को. Sangeeta Shetty, sir, upload this video as soon as possible. I am doing all the sums with you. Some points are missed in live. How come, beta? So now let's continue with this least square method, Sangeeta. So year is there and production is there. Year is given and production is given. So let's see the production. Assume it as 55, 57, 59, 60, 62, 64, 65, 66. These are the values. Okay, so I am taking production as y. I am taking production as what? Y here. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now next we have to take deviations for this. What we have to take, beta? Deviations lena hai. Okay, so deviations count the number of years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which is the middle year?
4 and 5.
So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So year is 2008 and 9 are both are middle years. So for that at that time, इसलिए इसको बता रहा हूँ मैं, even year है odd year है? Even year moving. 8 and 9 are both middle years. So middle years है जब क्या करना? 0.5 minuses and plus. So minus 0.5 plus 0.5. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So 1 we have to dividing 1 2 parts कर लेना है. 1 को 0.5 and 0.5. One is plus, one another one is minus. Next 1.5 plus 2.5 plus 3.5. In the same manner, minus 1.5 minus 2.5 minus 3.5. These are the deviations. Understood, everyone?
Yes.
If it is a, for example, if it is a odd year, then middle number easy आ जाता. Middle number को 0 लगा के ऊपर के numbers -1, -2, -3 ऐसा जाना. नीचे के numbers +1, +2, +3 जाता. అంటే ఒకవేళ ఆడ్ నెంబర్ ఉందనుకో, ఏదో ఒక నంబర్ మిడిల్ నెంబర్ ఉంటుంది కదా, దానికి 0 పెట్టుకొని పైన నుంచి 0, 1, -1, -2, -3, +1, +2, +3 వస్తుంది. Sir. Next, this is deviation. Okay. Next, what we have to calculate? We have to calculate x value here. This is x is deviation, right?
X square.
3.5 into 3.5, how much?
12.25.
Right. So next, 3.5 plus 3.5, 7. So you have to do that, 7. 2.5 plus 2.5, 5. 1.5 plus 1.5, 3. 0.5 plus 0.5, 1. 1, 3, 5, 7. Next you have to do square of it. Understood? Right. 49, 25, 9, 1, 1, 9, 25, 49. Next you have to multiply x into y.
minus 2 आगे minus 7 minus 4 minus 3.
Yes sir, आता ना? This will be minus only, right? क्यों नहीं बोले आप लोग?
into 2 करोगे.
Right? Next 49, 25, 9, 1, 1, 9, 25, 49. What happened, Sachin? Any doubt? Next, x into y. X into y. You have to multiply. 55 into 7.
385. 385.
Minus 385.
385.
Right. Next, 57 into 5.
285.
Minus 285. 59 into 3.
Minus 175.
177.
60 into
Minus 60. 60.
62 into 1.
62.
62. Next, 64 into 3.
192.
192. 65 into 5.
325.
66 into 7.
462. 462.
So some people may have a doubt that why we have taken x in this manner. Decimal में था तो इसको normal कर लिया अपन. That's the reason. अगर odd year moving में तो डायरेक्ट जो आता है उसको जब अपन x मान के ले लेते हैं. ठीक है, समझ में आया?
मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 करें ना, मतलब क्या करें वो 7 5 3 होना बोले तो
Have taken a double value.
into 2 into 2 करें तो क्या करना है इसको वाले.
Yes sir, 2 only. Sigma x square. Sigma y. Tell me the totals fast. You are very late today, Cookie. Which unit it is? Unit number 3, least square method.
132.
Which one total? 134.
Sigma x.
134. Are you sure?
168 sigma x square.
168. What about sigma y, Sachin? कैलकुलेटर ले लेना बेटा, ठीक है? 488. Next, Sarita Das. We have to calculate the values, right? A is equal to,
Sigma y by n.
right. So now we'll find out A. Here sigma y is how much? 488 divided by n.
8.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Intelligence. What is the value?
61.
61. What about B? B is equal to sigma xy by sigma x square. Sigma xy कितना था? 134 divided by x square is 168. What is the value?
0.7977.
0.797. Alright. So now we have to substitute in that value formula. So here the formula is y is equal to na plus b into x. So here year 2005 से शुरू है, फाइनेंस स्टार्ट ఉంది 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So then values మనం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేద్దాము. Okay. So year 2025 is equal to, the formula is na. A is how much here? 61 plus b is how much? 0.797 into sigma x. What is the value of sigma x here? First one, x value is how much? -7. So take -7 here. Okay beta. So now calculate this value. 0.797 into minus 7.
minus 5.579.
5.579.
Minus 5 point.
579.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
What is the value beta?
55.221.
55 point.
421.
55.42. Next, for the year 2020, this is 2005, right? Year 2006, A value 61 plus B value 0.797 into इसका x value कितना है -5. 61 plus
minus 3.9.
985.
3.985. You are getting
57.015.
this is second year value 57.015, right? Next year 2007, A is 61 plus B is how much? 0.797 minus 3. 61 minus
2.391.
what is the value?
58.609.
58.609. Next, for the year 2008, 61 plus 0.797 into minus 2. Directly tell me the value. 61 minus 1, 60.
Minus 1.
Bracket.
This is 1, right?
60.203.
60.203. Next, year 2009, 61 plus 0.797 into 1 plus 1.
61.797.
61.797. Right? This next for year 2010, 61 plus 0.797 into
Minus 3 plus 3.
plus 3.
63.391.
63.391. Next for the year 2011, 61 plus 0.797 into 5.
64.985.
95.
95.
64.985. Next for the year 2012, 61 plus 0.797 into 7.
66.579.
579. 66.579. So these are the values. All units, formulas, videos చేయండి sir. Sure. So I'll make the video better. All units, formulas, videos will be sure. फोन स्विच ऑफ हो गया. Right, all units formula video will be uploaded, and in time series moving averages we have completed, and next least square method we have completed.
Yes, sir.
And in short questions ये यूनिट में से short questions में पूछेगा उन्होंने shifting, right, parabolic trend second degree, shifting of origin, and trend conversion. This will be asked for short answers. We'll do in the afternoon, evening session. All unit formula video, definitely all unit formula video will be uploaded. Nothing to worry about it. I'll first of all I'll do the formula video and I'll upload as soon as possible. So here, upload this live as soon as possible. Yes sir, all unit formula video uploaded. So now dear students,
Yes, sir.
సంతోషి సార్ అబ్జర్వేషన్ సమ్ చెప్పండి. సింబా బార్డర్లో ఉంటే పాస్ చేస్తారా సార్? బిజినెస్లో 28 అట్లా చేస్తారు. So it is not, graph is not required if it is not asked, sir. If in question he asked draw a graph, fit a straight line method, so then you have to draw a graph, or else there is no need for graph. For the third unit, least square method, moving average questions for LAQ is enough. Yes, enough. Chalo, here, dear students, any more doubts? We have completed 3 units. Usha, deseasonalization. It will be asked for short answer question. Deseasonalization. Ratio to moving average method. Ratio to moving average method is also important, sir. Deseasonalization. Sir, thank you so much. Vikram sir, what about probability? Probability in the evening session, sir. इवनिंग लाइव का टाइम पे होगा, कौन सा टाइम पे होगा? एक्सप्लेन बेस थियरम सर, ईपूरी श्रीदेवी. सो इवनिंग लाइव आई विल बी कमिंग. Evening live, I will be coming at 4 o'clock. 4, I will be coming live for probability, unit number 4 and 5th unit, theoretical distribution, and also short answer questions. Sir, regression में assumed. Sir, chain index numbers explain. Sir, regression में assumed method important है क्या? दोनों में कौन सा भी कर सकते हैं आप. 2 examples already I have explained you. Done, sir. Sir, chain index explain. Thank you, sir. Conan. Right, beta. So now it's time to leave. Go do namaz. Go do prayers. First eat it. Take some rest. I'll upload you the formula videos also, and your live will be also uploaded. And any more doubts? Manoj Reddy. First unit regression, second index method, moving average least square method, third unit. Fourth unit, it is don't go for theorem, go for sum. And unit number 5, portion distribution. Thank you, sir. See you at 4. Till that I'll practice. Good. Sir, screenshot తీసుకుంటా జరగండి సార్. సరే సరే జరుగుతున్నా. Chalo. Here it's time to leave. And now screenshot done. Right. All formula unit video, I'll definitely make it better. And also short answer questions unit video, I'll make important questions video. 3-4 video बनाऊंगा मैं. So till then, stay tuned. Yeah, Shekhar sir, signing off. Bye.